What we have here, these are the parts of the 88XJ AC compressor. Each section of the compressor has been bagged to keep the dust off of it. Yeah, I bagged the main body as good as I could. So today, I took the O-ring out of the groove just to start inspecting it so I can clean it up and put it back together. And I'll show you what I found. Let's see if we can... Okay. Can you see those two scratches? Right here, the tip of my finger. Two scratches. Let's see if I can light it up and not let it glare. See that? See those two damn scratches? That is exactly where I found the leak with my freon sniffer. When this was sitting on the vehicle, there was a huge leak in the top here in this area. Pull the O-ring out, and you know that's not an accident. It's hard to scratch across there by accident. Some idiot did that on purpose. I don't know if he was trying to mark the this section that goes on the front, because you do want to mark them. And I marked mine with a punch mark. The punch mark on the other piece, so I always can tell where they're going to line up. But somebody scratched it, and it leaks really bad. There was two leaks. That one was the major one, and then of course the other one was the nose of the main shaft seal. See the shaft in there? That seal was leaking some. But that was leaking really bad, and man, I can't even tell you how devastated I am, because the only alternative is to find another one of these. Now there's two body styles. You see these ears? There's two there, and then there's four more on the bottom, so there's 8 total. That's the style of AC compressor I need. The other style has a big boss here and on the bottom for 4 long bolts to go through. Those are later. This is for Renix Jeeps and General Motors product of that era. So now I got to go to the junkyard, and we don't have a great selection where I live. So it's $40-something, $48 to get one used. Still have to take it apart and inspect it. This thing, you know, it's real clean inside. It's not burnt. Doesn't have, you know, it just doesn't have any problems. But those two scratches are why it was leaking so bad. So anyway, it's the first time I've ever brought automotive parts into my lab. The wind's blowing a lot, it's dusty, and I just haven't been able to get to it. So I thought, you know what, I'll bring it in here, clean things up. Well, sort of, just push stuff out of the way and give it a shot. And guess what? Damn it. So I got to break this news to the owner, and then we'll figure out what to do. So that's where we're at on the air conditioning front for the 88XJ 4.0. Alright, that's it for now. I'm going to quit my whining. See you, bye.